Hi, I'm Christine, the dietitian on campus, and I'm coming to you today from my kitchen. And today I'll be making Belgian waffles. So we're going to get started. I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to take a little bit larger bowl, and I'm going to add in my dry ingredients. So first I'm going to add in my 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And then I will add in the 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And then I have 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And then I have a half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to mix those together. And I'm going to make a little bit of a well in the middle of the dry ingredients. So we're going to add together our liquid ingredients. So we'll set that aside for a minute. And we'll get our other little bit smaller bowl. So we're going to mix together our liquid ingredients. So first we have 1.5 cups of milk. And I use 1% milk. You can use whatever kind of milk you have. And then I also have 2 eggs, which I already cracked. So I'll add those in. And we have 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. But if you only have salted butter, that will work as well. And then I have a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So then we're going to whisk together the liquid ingredients. Want to make sure you break up the egg. And we want to put these in the smaller bowl and mix them up so that we don't overmix all the ingredients together. Okay, so now we're going to pour the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients. And we can continue to use the whisk, or you can use a spoon or spatula. Either way works. Sometimes with the whisk it gets stuck inside, but that's okay. It'll work. Okay. And that's pretty good. You don't want to overmix it. When you overmix the ingredients all together, then it becomes a tougher end product. So you just want to be careful not to overmix it. Okay. So next we will go over to our Belgian waffle maker, I already sprayed it a little bit ahead of time, so therefore you have a little bit of smoke. It's pretty hot. And I'm going to put a little bit in each of the spots. So this waffle maker makes 4 waffles, and this recipe itself makes about 8. Could make a little bit more. You don't want to put in too much because then it will overflow the sides. And I have definitely done that before. Okay, and I think I'm going to do it this time. All right. So then we will close this up and wait for them to cook. So the waffles are done and they've been in there for a few minutes, and I'm going to get them out. And I'm going to use my tongs for the waffle maker. If you don't have these, you can use a rubber spatula. So I'll take these out. Make it a little tricky to get them out though. All right. Okay. And this one, hot. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to put some maple syrup and some blueberries. You can use whatever you would like on these. You could also put peanut butter on it, or maybe a little Nutella. I have some blueberries. You could use strawberries, bananas, anything you'd like, really. So yeah, those are the Belgian waffles, homemade. So I hope you enjoy.